Which Asian country has announced a Golden Visa program? Philippines, South Korea, Indonesia, Bangladesh. As per International Organization for Migration, IOM, 79% of people in which country lack sufficient access to water for essential needs? Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Israel, Iran. Which international development financial institution has planned to issue Indian rupee bond? New Development Bank, Asian Development Bank, International Monetary Fund, World Bank. The African Union has suspended which country until the effective restoration of constitutional order? Egypt, Niger, Kenya, South Africa. Fukushima nuclear plant is a disabled nuclear power plant located in which country? China, Japan, North Korea, South Korea. India and which country upgraded their relations to a strategic partnership recently? United Arab Emirates, Maldives, Greece, Thailand. Emerson Mnangagwa was re-elected as the president of which country? Singapore, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Argentina. Typhoon Hekui has hit which region recently? Serbia, Taiwan, Philippines, Indonesia. Which country has announced plans to finalize the route for the Power of Siberia 2 pipeline? Russia, Japan, Ukraine, Belarus. Antonin Devoke, who was honored as the Google Doodle, was associated with which profession? Writer, musician, sportsperson, scientist. Bangladesh signed to bilateral instruments to enhance cooperation in infrastructure and satellite? France, Australia, Germany, United States. India discussed with which country on utilization of new transport corridors like Northern Sea Route and the Eastern Maritime Corridor? United States, Russia, South Korea, Maldives. Which country has been recording increasing number of cases of West Nile virus? United Kingdom, United States, Australia, New Zealand. Which country has suspected India in a Sikh leader murder? United States, Canada, Australia, Germany. Which country recently delayed the ban on new petrol and diesel cars? United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Russia. Shiyan 6, which entered the Indian Ocean, is the research vessel of which country? Russia, China, North Korea, Singapore. Which country launched Fuzhouziminjangzhou railway line? China, North Korea, South Korea, Indonesia. Which country recently launched Operation Iron Swords? Ukraine, Israel, Russia, United States. An 8-foot tall statue of Mahatma Gandhi was revealed at Tolstoy Farm in which country? United States, United Kingdom, South Africa, Sri Lanka. North Sea Rosebank Field is the largest new oil and gas initiative of which country? Russia, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada.